So I was dark, started putting in highlights, then went too blonde, then went back to dark, then started introducing a few low lights and that, but it's very dry, very broken. It gets very tangly at the back. There's no shape, there's no... And then obviously, like, I have most of my grey is at the side. I have a few up here. But I said I'd grow it out so you could see it in all its glory.
Do you have any plans in mind?
But like, I don't mind. I'd like to like blend the grey.
Okay.
I don't want to be colouring it too much. I was getting a colour like every 8 weeks, and then it was snapping off. It was fried.
Yeah.
So I'm actually open to anything, whatever you think.
The ends is where it becomes a bit tricky, especially when we have no ends left.
You want to just cut them off? I'm open to anything. I'm open to anything.
You get a beautiful face. Anything will look good on you.
Oh, thank you.
The hair, because it's not that bulky, so if we go quite short, it will still be manageable.
Okay.
The texture, I can treat it to get rid of the frizziness. The treatment will strip out some of the green, so the color will kind of feel like it's a little bit brighter. And that will speed up the recovery.
Okay.
This looks really good on you.
Okay.
Okay, let's cut it.
Let's cut it.
I don't see other solution.
I didn't think there was.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, literally, this is all your hair.
Yeah.
That will help you to get the hair healthy very quickly.
Excellent.
I'm gonna cut it now, so me and you, we can see how it's forming.
Okay.
You got a little bit of flat head on the top.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna need to go slightly shorter here.
Okay.
So you could wear the hair in different directions to give you a bit of lift.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you get oily roots?
Yeah, but I wash my hair every day.
Every day, okay.
Yeah.
So it's a combination of oily roots, dry ends.
Yeah.
Because the brassiness is still gonna be there.
Yeah.
It's not gonna, I won't be able to get rid of it. I'd rather just take you to really something rich and warm.
Yeah.
Will go well with a short haircut.
Perfect.
Which will allow me as well to add even less amount of highlight on the top.
Perfect.
And then maybe you stop highlight for a year and a half.
Yeah.
A year and a half, you get that much regrowth.
Yeah.
All of a sudden your hair is healthy and long.
Because it's not, it's long now. But it's so tangled, like even to...
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm like, let's just cut it, treat whatever left over.
Yeah.
Introduce the minimum we can when it comes to lightening, and bring really healthy color and healthy texture through the treatment.
Okay.
Like that plan?
Yeah, perfect.
Not bad?
Different.
I mean, your face lit up after this.
Oh, it's fabulous.
Usually when I see light eyes, light skin, I want to bring some life back to the skin and bring some shine. So these shades, they're in between. They're not too warm. They're just slightly warm. There's a hint of copper, very light.
Okay.
But they're enough to get rid of all the dead reflection from the old colors, all the kind of yellow, greenish feeling.
Yeah.
And they're just enough to give you a nice warmth, but not heavy.
Yeah.
And this is only the first time of doing it. Like literally every time you're gonna keep doing this, the color is gonna get even more shinier and healthier.
Okay.
The cut, the job, we got rid of all the damage.
Yeah.
This should feel much healthier.
And bouncy.
With the help of the treatment, I promise you, you're gonna feel like you have a brand new hair now. Because I shortened the top layers, I shortened them like literally a lot. That's why I was cutting over and over.
Oh, it's stunning.
I wanted to be sure here, It
is gorgeous.
Yeah. And there was only a few strands of gray here.
Yeah.
So I ignored them.
Yeah.
So you won't feel like you have to do any colors. In fact, I ignored all the roots.
Okay.
This root's not been touched. The roots on the top not been touched. So the first half inch is still exactly your version.
My own
of
color.
roots.
Yeah.
The mix, I will give it to you now.
Yeah.
You could do it yourself, or you do it in the salon.
Okay.
You apply it for 10 minutes, like a shampoo on the ends, and you jump in the shower. It's quite easy. Good?
Fabulous.
I love this length on you.
I love it too.
Yeah, the
stunning.
shine is. Your kid's looking like, Mom, what happened?
My sister will be delighted.
Is she with you here?
No, she's not.
Ah, she's not.
No, she was the one who told me
She's on
that I need to come here. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get you to stand up for a minute. Look down. Usually I get excited when I see the hair is healthy.
Yeah.
So, honestly, it makes me happy when I get rid of all the damage. I get excited more than the clients sometimes.
The dead weight.
I feel it's a personal issue between me and
I haven't had a bob in so long. I love it.
Between me and the dry hair. Turn.
Oh, look.
Look at this.
Oh, that's fab.
So we left it literally almost a straight cut at the back.
Yeah.
I didn't do a lot of layers here because your hair below this bone, see how your head sticks out at the back?
Yeah.
Whenever you layer the hair and you have this bone sticking out, you'll end up with a lot of choppy layers.
Okay.
So what I like to do usually, leave everything below this bone one length.
Yeah.
And only add a light layer on the top to give you some movement. So when you do not blow dry it, it will fall really good.
Naturally.
And if you look at it from the side, how it,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. Even you can still see how there's a few,
They look
how
so
the lighter
healthy.
ones, yes.
And it looks fab.
Beautiful.
Fabulous. Thank you so
You
much.
look amazing. Put your hand through, just
That's
face the
lovely.
mirror.
It is.
Step forward tiny bit. Yes, put your hand through.
Gorgeous. Delighted with my bob.
Thank
I
you,
haven't had a
darling.
bob. Thank you. I'm absolutely. I came in my long blonde hair. and I'm going
Stick to this length for another 6 months to 1 year.
Yeah.
So whatever left over from the old blonde, you get to,
Grows out.
yeah,
It's fabulous.
ready.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. That's a good start for 2026.
Oh, yeah.
Good for you.
Delighted. Thank you.
Yeah.